Hi guys, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to go through the unboxing of this Central Machinery parts washer. We're going to put it together and we're going to do some modifications based on all of the available mods that I've come across to make this the most comprehensive, perhaps best parts washer from this kit. Let's open it up and see what's inside. One of the first modifications we're going to make is just going to take this drain plug off. This takes a 17mm wrench. It's a plastic plug. No, check that, it's a metal plug. And we're going to replace it with this easy drain valve. So we'll put some Teflon tape on the threads so it doesn't leak. Again, always going in the direction in which we're going to turn this. And there is a washer there which we might just keep, because that's another nice seal. I'm going to start. And I bought this, I'll leave a link to it, on Amazon. And that takes a 20mm wrench. Okay, there it's open and there it's closed. We'll leave it in the closed position. Quick comment, I changed the washer out because always check your boxes. There was this really nice, I think polyethylene or nylon washer, so I've used that instead. That's the one that's designed for it. So each of these legs takes a screw, a lock washer, and a nut. We'll just put 4 of these on loosely. And they show the legs going on the outside of these welded support pieces. And they're fitting really well. And we'll just tighten them all up. And then we're going to put a base on this with casters, which I think is going to enhance its mobility dramatically. All right, we just got the other 3 legs to do, and we'll take care of that. The next step is to put on this shelf. It's recommended that the shelf be put down with this flange pointing down. But I think, like some other YouTubers I've seen, let's put it up, because then it will prevent things from falling off the tray. And that goes in here with 8 screws, washers, and nuts. When you're putting this on, one little trick to prevent it from tilting and scratching is to use a few of these little clamps, and they'll help line it up. And you can get your first couple screws in, and then you're good to go. There we go. Okay, you can see we have the lip down. We have all the screws in place. By the way, I've got some cardboard underneath here to prevent it from scratching. We'll just tighten up the last 2 of these. And we're good. Now the basic structure is complete. We're going to attach a wooden base to this and 4 casters, which I think will be very nice and helpful. So this is the pump, and literally this cover just snaps right on top of it. And here is the filter. We're going to add another filter to this as part of the modifications. And then when you put it in, it literally just hangs on this edge. It's pretty simple. There, it's secured. This is a parts basin that we can have small parts in. And then this is the wand that literally just screws into the base of the pump here. There, I've screwed it in, and this can be maneuvered any way we want. Now, we're going to do a number of modifications. We're going to seal this so that the solvent we have in here, which is not going to be water soluble, we're going to use a really intense PSC 1000, a very highly effective degreaser, something that really works well. And we're going to put a seal on here so there's no evaporation. Interestingly, when you look at this this holder, there's a seam here, soldered seam, and it's specific for this. If this were to catch on fire, this would melt that seam, and then immediately this would close and hopefully suffocate the fire. So that's a really nice safety feature in all of these parts washers. Also, this shelf fits nicely on some ledges here. So it's not going to go anywhere. And again, this whole thing closes just like that. Okay, thank you for watching. This is again Adventures with Dr. Joe. Please subscribe, click like, and click the bell for a notification of new videos. This completes the general assembly, unpacking general assembly of this, including the addition of the drain valve down here. The next video we will do will be the installation of a new mobile base, the creation of that, and step-by-step how to do that. And the third in the series will be the placement of the external oil filter, new plumbing, new piping, and an inline hose that will direct the parts washer fluid. I think that'll be quite interesting, so stay tuned. Stay safe. Thank you.